Alright, Dragons, thanks for coming back for part 2. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. It says write and graph the equation of the line in slope-intercept form, in standard form, with a slope of, that should be 3/4. It's kind of messed up there. So that's 3/4 passing through the point 4, -2. Now, if I just wanted to graph this, I could do it just like I did my test. Right? We're going to go through 4, -2, so 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, -2 down right there. So there's the point, 4, -2. And my slope is 3/4. So my slope is what? Both positive, so up 3 and right 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I can't go up and right, remember the slope can also be written as a negative over a negative. You remember why we can do that? The negative divided by negative is a positive. So if you can't go up and right, go down and left. Down 3 and left 4. Okay? So let's see if I can make an equation from that. Actually, we should already be able to, right? We have a y-intercept of -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have a slope of 3/4, so we should be able to already do that. So y equals 3/4 x minus 5. But let's pretend, what if we didn't have the graph? Let's see if this point slope equation is really all it's cut out to be, whatever. Alright, so can I put something in for my slope? Yeah, my 3/4. Alright, remember we're substituting in for what? The guys with the subscripts. Subscripts must go. Okay, so 4 is my x, so this is going to be x minus 4. And -2 is my y. So I'm creating a double sign, and subtracting a negative is adding a positive. Go ahead and distribute your 3/4. 3/4 times x is 3/4 x, and 3/4 times a -4 is going to be -3. Solve for y by subtracting 2 from both sides, and you'll see there's my 0 pair. Look what I get. I get y equals 3/4 x, and what do you think these two guys combine to be? -5. Okay, it's kind of similar to the one that we have up here. I don't know why they made them so similar, but hey, it is what it is. And it's verified by my graph. I have a y-intercept of -5, up 3, right 4, up 3, right 4. Standard form? Alright, so we want the x and the y to be on the same side. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you a trick here, right here. If we go ahead and put the x term on the left, just switch sides, we have 3/4 x minus 5 is equal to y. Okay, all we got to do here is switch the x and the y. Okay, so we'll add 5 to both sides to move the 5, and we'll subtract y from both sides. And so it looks like we have 3/4 x minus y is equal to, that's another 0 pair, equal to 5. Now, up here, I forgot to tell you something. Traditionally, well actually, I did tell you, no fractions or decimals for a, b, and c. Alright, we've got a fraction here for a. Now, this is real easy to get rid of a fraction. Okay, what's your denominator? Your denominator is a 4. So guess what we're going to multiply everything by? We're going to multiply everything by 4, including the right-hand side. Alright, so let's distribute. 3/4 of 4 is 3 times x. 4 times a -y is -4y. And 5 times 4 is 20. Shazam! Look, all the fractions are gone. standard form, 3x minus 4y is equal to 20. And again, a is what? Coefficient of x, a is 3. B is the coefficient of y, that's what kind of 4? Negative 4. And C is 20. Okay, so once you have this all filled out, again press pause if you need to get anything on. So you have two good examples. Go ahead and get a glue stick, glue this bad boy into wherever you have designated for your Unit 4. So wherever your paper is on this, on your, Unit 5. Go ahead and glue this in. So press pause and do that, and then come back. There's one more thing I want you to jot down. All right. So I'm going to go solo here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to hold this thing in here. All right, so go to your next full 2-pagers right there. And I want you to write down your Hoivux. That is going to help you memorize information from horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, so H stands for horizontal line, that's in orange. The O stands for a slope of 0, and the Y in Hoi means that your equation will start with a Y, and it will also cross the Y-axis. Go ahead and look at the example that I have over here to the left, also in orange, Y equals 3. If you notice all these guys right here, all the Y coordinates are 3. Okay, that's the Hoi in Hoivux. Alright, we go green. The V stands for a vertical line, north and south. It has an undefined slope. That means there's a 0 in the denominator. That's a no-no. Put it in your calculator. See what your calculator tells you if you divide anything by 0. And the X means the equation. We'll start with an x equals, and it will cross the x-axis. So if you take a look at my example right here, x equals -2. What do you notice about all the coordinates? The x coordinates, they are all -2. So the equation, if you just listen to it, will tell you, hey, x equals -2. All of the x coordinates are -2. And the biggest thing that I've seen over the years is that students see the equation y equals 3 and they think it's a point. It's not a point. It is a line. See? It's a line. You can put your y equals 3 in your calculator. Okay? Can't put your x equals in your calculator. We don't have an x equal button. Bummer. Okay? So, go ahead and pause this, and then if you would please, I think you're done. We'll do some more practice, and thanks for listening.